Hi, it's Vic. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have a really sweet Valentine's card for you today. So the stamp I'm using today is by Hello Bluebird and it's the Cocoa Party stamp set. There's a list down below of all the Copic pens I used if you're interested. These stamps are so cute, but I think my favourite has to be that bear. So now I'm just finishing my Copic colouring and then I'm going to go ahead and trim these out with my scissors. I'm going to go ahead and die cut a panel. This is the Sunny Studios Frames eyelet lace die and I'm using Papermilldirect Super Smooth White card. And this lovely grey card, which is one of my favourites, is also Papermilldirect and it's the Perla Sirio colour card. Now I'm just adding some foam pads to the back of the panel before I adhere it to my card base. Next I'm going to be using the Uniquely Creative Nordic Hearts die and I picked up the scalloped heart, just checking to see if it will fit on my card, which it does. And now I've got some vellum, so I'm going to die cut this with my die cutting machine. So I'm just adding some foam squares to the back of the vellum and I'm not worried about these showing through because the little critters are going to be placed over the top, so you won't be able to see the foam tape. I'm just going to be heat embossing the sentiment onto some raspberry pink plain card, which again is Papermilldirect. So now I'm going to be sticking down some of these rhinestones, which are Uniquely Creative and they're the light blue rhinestones. And now the card is all complete. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Thank you.